Nick was born 1 month before due date. Because of difficulties during the birth, he suffered severe brain damage. When we left the hospital, the staff there said that we will be happy if Nick ever sit by himself.
When he was trying to walk, it was really hard for him. His feet was really in bad position. If he will walk longer in this position, he will injure the bones and joints.
Nick conditions it's that overpronation, that going mid-arch is going too much in because his muscles are too soft.
Petra has a lot of patients that overgrow their orthoses. Almost every solution that she showed me needed to be corrected after the first design. It's not comfortable, it causes skin irritation. The patients cannot use their right shoe size. When she finally says also the price of the suggested solution, I was okay, this is not right. She always tried to push similar products into one box, and I didn't want that my son is in one of the boxes. I didn't have the solution at that time. I just knew that I can do better. If you need to create something for yourself, I don't think there is a second option to 3D printing currently. When he put the orthosis on, it was, oh, I feel comfortable, I feel stabilized, I feel confident. And it was, 2-3 days and he was walking.
After 4 or 5 months he wearing it, he started to be faster and faster. He actually started to dance.
Currently he's using his 4th different version of orthosis. If he continues to improve like that, I think the 5th one will not be needed anymore.
3D printing, you can say here it's 4 millimeters and here it's 1.75 millimeters. In terms of mechanics, this is great news. In the moment we are testing with several patients with different pathologies, with quite different age.
The current industry is, still built upon 50-year-old technology. Somebody needs to make a new pathway to present an alternative. An orthosis should be built for a person. I really see this taking off because it has so many advantages that you cannot just push this technology on the side. You have to embrace it.